Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can put your phone in diagnostic mode. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So first up, you need to make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, and then you have to connect your phone to charging or any power so that diagnostic modes work good. So first up, you simply need to go ahead and open up Safari. And right over here, you have to search up diagnostics.apple.com and you have to sign in, because if you're signed out, you won't be able to check diagnostic. For that, simply press on sign in and it will do its process, and you need to put in your Apple ID and Apple ID password. So yeah, here you go, account name and the password, and then you'll be entered in connect. After that, you have to go to your phone bar and type in this exact number that I've typed in, and just simply type in the number and just simply press on call, and you'll enter your diagnostic mode, and it will check all the problems that your phone got, like if it's not charging properly, if it got any Wi-Fi issues, so it will tell you. So yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can put your iPhone on diagnostic mode. So I hope this really actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.